So this is about how to swap out the crappy plastic spigot that comes with most carafes for serving drinks. So I'm using it for making kombucha, and every 5 or 6 days when I make a batch, I've got to drain off the kombucha into the bottles. So usually I use the stand and have the carafe up here to facilitate pouring the kombucha into the bottle. It works really well, but the original faucets that come with the setup are made out of plastic and they're floppy. This one's actually broken. It finally died, and that's the reason I went about replacing this part. It took me, initially when I looked, I couldn't find these available on the internet, but right now you can get these really nice stainless steel ones. I got them 2 for about 24 bucks, so pretty nice with free shipping. And it comes with some really good silicone seals that sit really tight in there and get squished into place nicely. And in the other one, I've already installed it. You can see it works perfectly, and I'm getting absolutely no dripping. So pretty happy with these things. The hole here is probably, if I remember correctly, about 18 millimeters. This one measures 17 millimeters here. This is a bit narrower at 16 millimeters, but this huge silicone piece more than takes up the gap. So really happy with this. Okay, I'll just quickly install the new stainless steel faucet. Just a silicone washer on each side with a stainless steel holder to push it and support it, and then put on this little screw. I found that finger tight's enough, but you'll want to fill it up with water above the top and make sure that it's leak tight before you make a batch of kombucha. And again, the nice thing about this is it's stainless steel, not plastic, so it's not it's easier to clean. It has about 4 times the flow rate and a really nice stainless steel lever. This one is not spring loaded, which I like, because it means you can open it, fill the bottle one-handed, and then close it. Some of them are spring loaded, so you might want to watch that when you're buying it and decide which kind you prefer. Final step is there's these ones came with a little screen filter, so this pops on the end of the intake, so it won't draw kombucha in. I have a feeling I'll get plugged pretty quickly though. But anyway, it keeps the faucet itself clean. And here it is, just doing a leak test. Added some water, checked to make sure there's nothing dripping outside, and there's nothing. Again, if you find you haven't finger tightened it enough, you can just put a wrench on the inside, and then nice and fast flowing.